You know, there's questions that are asked like, why does God allow bad things to happen? Or, like, how can God be such a loving God when the world around us is filled with hate? But I don't know why he doesn't just snap his finger and everything goes back to normal. That I don't know why. But what I do know is God didn't necessarily allow humanity to go down this dark path. It's more or less we chose to go down this path. Because when Adam and Eve ate that apple on the tree, when they did that, that was an act of disobedience. God gave us free will, which means we can choose to obey God or we can choose to not obey God. When Adam and Eve chose not to obey God, sin entered the world. Prior to that, God made the world perfect, which means there was no sin. It was perfect. There was no suffering. It was perfect. But because God gave us free will, we chose to disobey God. Therefore, the world became sin. So God he didn't necessarily allow evil in this world, but we chose evil to be in this world. And the reason why God doesn't just snap his finger and revert it to the way it was is because he loves us so much that he respects our decision. And when we rebel, yes, it hurts him, but he respects it. He's not gonna say, I respect you, and then when you do something wrong, he's not gonna say, oh no, never mind, screw you. No, he's still gonna be there. His hand is open for an invitation. He wants you with him. That's why he sent his son Jesus to die on the cross for mine and yours sins, because he loves us. But yeah, basically, God didn't allow sin to enter the world, but we allowed sin to enter the world. And yeah, there you go.